How to add location on Facebook page. It's very simple. Make sure you have switched to a Facebook page here and go to the profile. From here, tap on the edit option here and scroll down, and on the details you will find the address which is empty. Now just tap on the edit button here and tap on add your address. Now here you can edit the street of your company or your job location. Here it will automatically detect you from the location system if it is on, but you can also type in manually here. For an example, right here, and just tap on save. Now right after you update your street, tap in city option and choose the city that your job or your office lies into. As you can see here, it also pops up with suggestions and tap on save. Now in the zip code, you can just Google search a zip code, or you can just enable my page doesn't have a zip code and tap on save. Here you can also add map location by simply scrolling the cursor here and there in a legitimate location. And once you are done with it, all you have to do is save and it will be saved. Now tap save once again and head back to your profile and refresh once. Now if you scroll down, there you will find under details all of your location. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.